What's up, everybody on YouTube? This is DJ Kicks here, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be getting into a surprise unboxing, a shoe that I really wasn't planning on picking up, but we won a raffle from the Sneakers and Stuff app, so hey, might as well show you guys what these shoes are looking like. And from the title, you probably already know that this is a collab sneaker. It's something that, has been done before, but on a different model, but want to just give you guys a pretty, detailed look on this sneaker, so that way you can decide if you want to pick these up for resale or, go after them at some other point. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so I got the box right here. We'll go ahead and cut this guy open really quick. Like I said before, this is from Sneakers and Stuff. So this is the first time that I've done any kind of purchase with Sneakers and Stuff. The box looks like it actually has a perforation to tear apart, so that's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and tear that open here. Me personally, I normally don't hit on any kind of app raffle, so this was kind of a surprise to me, like I was saying before. Looks like packaging is pretty cool. They give you like a, thank you for shopping with Sneakers and Stuff thing here. Looks like it's pretty wrapped pretty well. So we'll get everything out of here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's kind of like got a refund stuff in there if you want to swap it out. It looks like the box is pretty packaged up, so that's pretty cool. It actually saves the box a lot. Looks like they packed the box in this little like cardboard material. All right, and then as you can see here, so this is the Ultraboost and Nice Kicks collaboration. I'll show you right there. And you can see this is a consortium release as well, so that's kind of like the collab part that Adidas does with certain brands. So go ahead and take this outer shell off here, get that out there. And then boom, got all around white box here. Official shoe is the Ultraboost NK, which stands for Nice Kicks. Got these in a size 9. I don't see any particular colorway on this model. I think Adidas usually does like color codes. They don't really like put the numbers out there, but EF7775 is the color code on that part. And then like I was saying before, as you can see, there is a consortium logo there, as well as here on the top of the box. So that's pretty cool there. And you got the Adidas branding on the side there, 3 stripes. All right, so let's go ahead and kick these guys open. So these just slides out right here. It's got the consortium logo there as well on the tissue paper here. Sorry if you guys have already seen this before. I've never had a consortium release, so it's kind of like my first time looking at these guys. Let's go ahead and unfold the paper. Get these out. See the left shoe off. Actually, that's the right shoe. Got the left shoe. Get that out of here. Got the right shoe here, and boom. So there you have it. This is the Nice Kicks times Adidas Ultraboost, and I believe this is called the Woodstock colorway. So they Nice Kicks has done a collab with Adidas before, and they did it on an NMD, kind of like this kind of like tie-dye type of theme as well. And this one, it's just this one kind of gives you a little bit more colors on this one. I think the other one was just like a red and a darker red. So as you can see here, pretty much got your Nice Kicks hit right there on the tongue. And then you're all over tie-dye print there. Clear cage on the side. And then a gum bottom. These actually do come with an extra set of laces in red, which is pretty cool too. So that's pretty sweet there. But, all overall, pretty cool looking sneaker. Go ahead and get into some detailed shots. We'll go and kind of go over the entire sneaker and kind of show you what's going on with these guys here. So starting off with the upper of the shoe, you can see it's an all prime knit material, and it does have that tie-dye kind of effect to everything. It looks like the base underneath is white, and then they have the tie-dye print going all throughout the upper of the shoe. You can see here on like the toe cap, this is kind of encapsulated in this kind of like plasticky type of material. I guess that's to kind of protect the shoe if you're going to be running in it, or anything that's going to be hitting the toe cap. That's there to protect it. Here on the side, you can see there's the, pretty much the cage that we've known and loved on all of the Adidas Ultraboost models. That is in this kind of a clear plasticky type of material. And then as you can see here on the back side, it does have the words Ultraboost kind of embossed, or, whatever that is, on the outside there. The inside of the sneaker, pretty much the same thing, has the clear cage there, still has that stuff around the toe cap. And then going up here to the upper part, you can see that the shoe does come with white laces. The laces that are in here actually have red tips on them, and then the red laces also have red tips that come in the bag as well. And then here up at the tongue kind of section, you can see the Nice Kicks logo there with the consortium, little like punch out that we've seen on the collabs for Adidas sneakers. So you can see that there as well. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, it's got that same kind of like, spoiler looking part that the Ultra Boost has that cups your kind of like your heel part of your foot, keeps you in there, locked in there as well. On the inside, you can see that there is a, not like a insole that we usually see on the Ultra Boost. This does come with a consortium insole. Kind of take that out and show you what that looks like here. So as you can see, it does have the consortium logo there on the back. And then actually on the inside, the actual whole insole is red, but then has like this green looking guitar on the inner part of that. So that kind of ties in with that whole Woodstock, type of theme that this shoe is going for. And this does say copyright 2019, our license to Epic Rights, Periscope Productions, LLC. Not exactly sure what that means. Could have to do with Woodstock, but pretty cool to see, a different type of insole on these guys. As opposed to just a regular standard Ultra Boost insole. And then looking here on the other sneaker, I was looking at the insole on this one, and this is a little bit different. So this one does have actually the Adidas and Nice Kicks logo right there on the heel part. And then on the upper section, it does have some more of the artwork for like that type of Woodstock looking stuff there. Still red for the base, but like I said, it does show the Nice Kicks and Adidas collaboration logos there. And then has that little picture there for the Woodstock as well. And then also something to note as well, didn't notice this before, but the actual shoes have a different logo on the left and right pairs. So as you can see right here on the right shoe, it has the Nice Kicks logo, and then on the left shoe, it actually has that Woodstock looking logo, which I assume is going to be, which would have been the logo from Woodstock back in the day, but that's actually appearing here on the left side shoe. So you can take a look at that there, and then Nice Kicks there. And then looking here at the bottom of the sneaker, you can see that it is the all-continental rubber outsole there that we've come to see on the Ultra Boost models. This is actually in a gum bottom, which I really do like this. I like a gum bottom pretty much on any shoe. It kind of makes it set off just a little bit. And I know that on the previous Nice Kicks release that there was a gum bottom on that NMD as well. So it's kind of cool that they're continuing that type of thing with their collaborations that they have going now. But all in all, for this pair of sneakers, I am really digging this colorway. I am somebody that really does like tie-dye, and I have a lot of tie-dye things. I do my own tie-dyes sometimes, and tie-dye is really cool to me, and I like that, Nice Kicks kind of is sticking with these themes that they're doing, this tie-dye type of look, gum bottom on these Adidas models, and putting them on some of the models that we know and love and are some of our favorites. So I do really like this collab, and I like that Nice Kicks is trying to, do something different. It's nice to see brands doing something different as opposed to just the same type of stuff that we're, used to seeing. And I really do like this. I do like that they did stay with the white boost as opposed to another color, because it kind of goes with the, tie-dye type of feel. Tie-dye is normally done on a white shirt, so that's a pretty cool detail that I liked. I like that they kept it white on the boost. But all in all, I'm really digging this collab. The Ultra Boost is definitely one of my favorite models of Adidas. It's one of the most comfortable shoes to wear. And Nice Kicks, I've been watching stuff on Nice Kicks for, the last, I would say, I don't know, 5-6 years for sneaker stuff. The Nice Kicks sneak peeks are some of the cooler things that are on YouTube as far as it goes for, seeing people's shoe collection. So I like that Nice Kicks is continuing to do these collabs. And I'm definitely looking forward to more, Nice Kicks collabs that will be coming out hopefully in the future, because, the first two that they came out with, I think, are definitely bangers in my opinion. They've gotten, two of the most comfortable models that they've done, which was the NMD Prime Knit, and then now with the Ultra Boost as well. So they've done, some of the more comfortable models that Adidas has to offer, and I think both of them are coming out really cool. So definitely like this for sure. As far as it goes for me, I'm definitely going to be, liking these sneakers a lot. I think with me, as far as colorway goes and stuff like that, I'm going to be giving these guys, I would say, like an 8.5 out of 10. I would say that maybe if they try to do something, maybe where they changed up some of the materials, maybe if they made the cage leather, just to make it feel a little bit more premium, or maybe added some type of suede or something like that to these, just to give it a little bit more premium of a feel, that would have been cool. But, all in all, it's a pretty good collab. And I definitely appreciate that this was a little bit more widely available. Well, I don't know if it's more widely available, but I was just happy that I was able to hit on this particular pair. Because I had no chance at the other ones. So definitely appreciate Nice Kicks, being able to, do this collab. definitely shout out to Sneakers and stuff for letting me hit the raffle. Definitely appreciate it for sure. But that's going to do it here for this video. Hope everybody liked the unboxing of this Nice Kicks and Adidas collab. Make sure to leave a like if you did like the content. Definitely helps out the channel a lot. And also, too, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you are feeling these sneakers, if you guys are going to be willing to pay resale for these, or if you're going to be trying to get them at some other point in time. Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And also, too, if you haven't already, make sure you do subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And when you do subscribe, make sure you do hit that notification bell so that way you do get notified when I post new content. But this has been the detailed review and unboxing of the Nice Kicks and Adidas Ultraboost collaboration. This has been DJ Kicks. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.